Xeikon Café 2022, and we are here and we're going to talk a little bit sustainability and obviously also the new innovation in the dry toner technology. And I'm therefore talking to Filip Weymans. Hello Filip, and good day to you.
Hello Jacques.
So, bring us a little bit up to speed on this novelty that you're presenting here at Xeikon Café.
Xeikon Café is several of novelties, but if you look specifically in the revolution in the digital printing space, is where we're introducing the TITON technology. So if you look into the market of digital applications, there's one area where digital printing has really no solution today, and that's where you want to have something that is really durable, so heat resistant, chemical resistant, and also scuff and scratch resistant, and on top also food safe. There's no combination of any digital technology so far, and that is where indeed the dry toner is, with our TITON technology, we're delivering here something totally unique.
So I think, as you were saying, the dry toner technology with the food compliance, that's one of your flagship products. Obviously when going to paper materials and in order to be sustainable and food safe as well, I guess this comes into the equation. Tell us a little bit about how you guys took on this challenge.
Yeah, well, if you look, Xeikon has actually several technologies in the label and flexible packaging space. We have UV inkjet and we have dry toner. Dry toner, fantastic when you talk about food safety, printing on natural papers and what have you, but you need to varnish it. Same thing like other toner technologies. Now, UV inkjet, fantastic when it comes down to durability, temperature resistant, chemical resistant, just ask it. But food safe, well, if you put the right functional barriers in there, maybe. But on paper, functional barriers, they're not there. So you saw that there is a void in terms of digital capabilities, and that's why we jumped into, because there is really a market that searches for food safety and durability. Talking about the food service applications, paper cups, but also paper-based pouches, sachets, and all that type of stuff. And that's where with the TITON technology we jumped in and really are delivering a unique solution.
Yeah, you see the transition more and more going from plastics to the paper materials, right?
Yeah, indeed. If you look into the flexible packaging space, for years that has really been a market that is growing and very dominant with foils.
Yes.
Laminated foils or just single foils on which are printed directly.
So what's the secret formula then? Is it the toner? Is it something else in the machine? Tell us a little bit
the
about it.
fact that we are able to bring it now is we have a very smart guy in R&D, a young guy, and most of the time they bring also these beautiful innovations that has really been digging into all kind of chemistries, and he's found actually a chemistry that can be incorporated into our dry toner formulations, and at the same time makes that our dry toner is also durable, heat resistant, mechanical resistance, scuff and scratch resistance. So it's really down to the chemistry that we're using inside our dry toner. We're basing ourselves, or we're using that dry toner in the same digital printing presses that we had before. We are making some hardware adjustments to that, but we actually can base ourselves on a very mature platform being the Cheetahs. And today have introduced that toner technology, that TITON technology, into what we call the Xeikon CX500, well-known TITON. And there are some hardware changes there, but the biggest change really lies into that toner.
It's fantastic to hear that companies like Xeikon, of course, are on the forefront and at the development, to be able to provide that sustainability that brand owners are really looking for. So Thank you for bringing us up to speed, and we'll talk to you soon.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Filip.
Cheers.